So in the previous problem, I had told you that I'll be doing all these three problems: pyramid, cone, and rectangular pyramid, and placing them on a rectangular slab. Okay, so before we start placing them on a slab, let us make our slab first. Okay, so these are all the previous problems over here. I'll just go here, place first my baseline. Anything is fine. I'll zoom into it. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to create a slab. So let us select a length for the slab. So the length should be in such a way that it should be greater than this thing. So how much is this? This 30. So let us take 60, right? So if we keep 60 is enough. The length of this is 50. So we can keep 60 itself. So I'll type 60, hit enter. Okay, so it's okay. Type 60, hit enter. Sorry. I'll type 60 and 30. Then I'll type 60, enter, 150, enter. Then I'll type 60, enter, minus 150, enter. Then I'll type 60. I'll just join it here. Now what I have to do? What's the height of this thing? Let us keep 20 mm, right? 20 is more than enough. I keep 20, enter. Now what I'll do? Select the move option. Okay. I'll select this whole thing, but I'll exclude this line. Okay, fine, no problem. From this point, I'll place it on this. I have to do it in this way. 20, hit enter. Okay, escape. Now I have to move this with copy on here. Hit escape. This line is not required. This line is not required. Now what I have to do? Just join these lines. Escape. Is it correct? 20 minus 20. Yeah, all done. Perfect. Now I have to mark the visible edges, right? So for now, I'll just highlight these edges. 0.4. Okay. As you can see, I'm just highlighting these edges, and I will mark this as 0.35, and it's hidden, right? Yeah, I know, I forgot this. I'll just change this. 0.4, enter, done. Why am I not changing this? Is because I want to place my slab, right? I mean pyramid. So I need a proper accuracy for that. So now what I'll do? I'll select this. I'll move, and I'll make a copy. Okay. Escape. Now what I'll do? Since we had already made this, look, you have to go and watch the previous video for that. Okay, so copy was on. I'll just delete this. Then again move. I'll turn off the copy thing. I'll place it on the same line but apart. Okay, now what I'll do? I'll take this. Okay, now I'll copy this in such a way. Center point, right? I'll copy. See, I'll place it center. Okay, the center point is placed in the center. I think I will have to move this a bit more. Move more, little towards the left. Copy the whole thing. select the center point, select the center point. Okay, now let it be here. Copy the whole thing. I'll select this line. Okay, I'll keep it like this. Now again I'll copy this thing again. Not copy, move this again. Place it on the center. See? Mm, yeah. See, all the things. I have placed all the three parts exactly on the rectangular slab. But here there is a small thing we have to do. That is, I have to split this line on this intersection. Split this line on this intersection. Same way, split this line on this tangent place. This line over here. This line over here. And this line over intersection. See, don't select this point. You have to select the intersection point. Hit escape. Now select all the inner lines. One array line, bro. Not the array. Two. Okay, I have to zoom in. Unfortunately. 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Done. I'll change them 0.35 and hidden. Okay. See, I made them hidden, and now I'll uh, highlight these lines and change their width as 0.4. Hit enter. Done. Escape. Escape. So I can give the smart dimension 20, 60. This is 30. So that's more than enough. I can give the angular dimensions now. Oh, I think I did not select it proper. Okay. 30, 30, same way 30. See, I am not doing the namings. It just consumes a lot of time for me just to place it. You're smart enough to understand, right? Where you have to write and everything. So escape. So see, everything is done. So now you have successfully placed all these things on the pyramid. We'll solve much more problems in like sometimes there will be not the square slabs, but there will be what to say circular slab, sorry, cylindrical slab. Okay, we'll also